Hey guys, Justin here from J Hart Model Works, coming to you with another shop card shout out. Yes, these are going to come out in pretty much rapid order. I have told myself I cannot do another unboxing until I get off my butt and I get these done. Today's shop card shout out is coming to us from Ron at Grandpa's Toy Room. Great shop card, Ron. Ron is another fantastic builder. He's another long-time subscriber. He's been following me again since the very beginning of my channel. Ron's channel's been going about 3 years now from the looks of it. Ton of amazing builds. Cars, trucks, you name it. He does shop card shout outs. Absolutely just gorgeous paintwork. Fantastic builder, another great guy and a great supporter of the community. Go check Ron out. I'm gonna try again. Go check Ron out over there at Grandpa's Toy Room. Again, a great, fantastic builder, tons of great builds over there. Give him a check out and give him a subscribe. I'm pretty sure anybody following me is probably already following Ron, but if not, go ahead and give Ron a check out. We've got shout outs for shop card shout outs for people I've never heard of before. Just great builders and just great builds. He's currently got an entry for the Pro Steep build going on that Dylan's doing. I know it's going to turn out great. He's got some fantastic mercs, just gorgeous paintwork, absolutely stunning trucks. I just wrapped up the Revell, the 41 Chevy, and so that was my first truck, but this man's trucks are fantastic. Go ahead and give him a check out, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.